Hello there, here's a sampling of the videos from 2018. Few pipe fittings and enough root beer floats to empty 4 pony kegs inspires a couple of nifty wall sconces. There's a cool way to display some 3D art on the wall. Some scrap metal and maple salvage from a storm-damaged tree come together to create a really sturdy end table. There's even some minor auto repair. Of course, anything worth doing is worth overdoing. I'll walk through assembling a router table. Check out the full videos and hit that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching.